You guys should try this. Here are the ingredients and the items you'll need for making Chicken Tikka Masala. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1½ cup of Greek plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger root, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of crushed dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix them well, then add the chicken in the marinade sauce. And make sure they are well coated. Cover and marinate them for 1 hour or overnight. After an hour or the following day, fry the chicken in batches. Put 1/4 cup of oil in a heated pan or skillet. Cook the chicken for 3 to 5 minutes on each side over medium-high heat but do not overcrowd. Place the cooked chicken in a clean bowl and set aside. Add more oil as needed and repeat the process until all chicken pieces are cooked. Scrape and scoop the bits and pieces as this will add flavor to the dish. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-high heat. Sauté half of a large sweet onion until translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of grated or minced garlic, then sauté until fragrant. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder. Give it a good stir to combine. Add 1 to 2 cups of tomato puree, a can of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Stir it well. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Go ahead and taste the sauce, then add sugar as needed. Stir it again and simmer for 5 minutes before adding the cooked chicken. Simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thick to your desired consistency. Do a taste test again, but with a piece of chicken meat this time. Then turn the heat off and garnish with chopped cilantro. Here you go, my Chicken Tikka Masala. Serve warm with basmati rice and enjoy! Eating time!
Oh, thank you. All right.
With basmati rice.
Oh,
How's it?
dude, it's better than the restaurant, man. It's good. It's
Serious?
perfect. Yeah, did you try it?
Yeah, I did.